Hi, this is Kapil. Paranthas. We can eat for breakfast, for lunch or dinners. So I'm making very unique parantha recipe today. It is broccoli cheese parantha. So let's start. So now what I have done here, I've taken broccoli, washed it nicely and drained off the excess of water, which is very important. And after draining, I have grated it. So this ways, I'm going to use it for stuffing. So let's start with the filling first. Into the bowl goes grated broccoli. And the name of the parantha is broccoli cheese parantha. So next I'll grate mozzarella cheese into it. So next I'll season it, and cheese and oregano is like marriage made in heaven. And next, chili flakes. Just mix everything together and stuffing for broccoli cheese parantha is ready. And here I have dough for parantha already ready, kneaded. It has to be soft just like chapati dough. So I'll knead it for a minute and then we'll make paranthas. Just take a big lemon sized dough balls, roll it into the hands and keep the rest of the dough covered with muslin cloth. Some dry flour, and meanwhile I'll switch on the flame because tawa has to be medium hot. So it's a stuffed broccoli and cheese parantha. So I'm gonna put the stuffing in between. Now roll it and make sure the edges are thinner. Now stuffing time. And next, seal the edges. Push the stuffing inside, and excess you can just pinch it off. Just press lightly with your hands, dust with flour, spread it with the hands so that filling is nicely spread throughout. And now we'll roll parantha. And now this broccoli cheese parantha onto the tawa. So I let the parantha cook for a minute on one side and then I'll flip it. And on top of the parantha, I'll add table butter. Press it very gently so that it's evenly cooked and time to turn. And butter on the other side as well. So it's looking lovely golden in color, and you can see it's nicely puffed up as well because the cheese is already melted. And that's the beauty of these paranthas. And now comes the important part. And I have added cheese in the parantha, so unless we won't open the parantha, how will you come to know that how is it looking? And you can see the cheese is melted nicely. Broccoli, you can see it is still very hot, it's stringy, and it is looking absolutely delicious. So now I'm gonna serve these hot broccoli and cheese paranthas. So do try this recipe of broccoli cheese parantha, so delicious. Trust me, you're gonna love it.